lang mo man yung pinakulangan, di tag-time gahapon, sorry kay Ana, pero ako na din yung mga puntahan na karon pero ayan na mga tuan na proceed sa another lecture na to. So, isa may pangutan ng I'm curious, well, what area I'm curious about video platform. How are they education-wise and what benefits are they offer? Video platform is on technology and it will help us into it will interact with the citizens in our society. They will use it by paying tax and renew their license online.
Ako ma'am, napakapagpamutan ma'am. About sa data analysis ma'am, how is it used in public administration?
Data analytics plays a crucial role in public administration, especially the government. It collects a vast amount of data and also it helps us in analyzing information.
And also ma'am, how AI technology helps in the process of public administration?
Well, AI will respond to citizens' inquiries, freeing up staff time for more complex tasks. It also analyzes large volume of data.
Last pangutana ma'am, how about the cybersecurity ma'am?
Cybersecurity is indeed a crucial role in public administration too. Governments need to prioritize the protection of sensitive information and secure the digital systems. It also training staff members on cybersecurity, best practices, and keeping up with the latest security technologies are also important aspects of data protection. And then, lastly class, hindi nyo pa alam, ang kahulingan technology na ginagamit ng mga public administration ay yung web page. Sa ginagamit natin ngayon, kagaya ng cellphone, they will be used by interacting the government. Like, they will need help by the government or the city government. They will have access into using a cell phone. This is also technology. But then also, technology is not just hindi lang ito electricity. Also, technology is a man-made, ginagawa siya ng tao. So, it means ang technology ay gaya din yung mga link na mga ginagawa nila through online. So, that's all.
Thank you ma'am.